Adding funds to your StarPet account is quick and easy. Whether you want to trade, unlock new feature, or boost your pet collection, well, in today's video, I'll guide you how to add funds to your StarPets account. Now, let's start. In your StarPets homepage, tap your balance. Now in here, you'll see different payment methods that you can use. Like for example, I'll be using Visa. And then at the left side, you have to input the amount you want to add into your balance. Like for example, $5. Please be aware that there will be a tax when you add funds into your StarPets account. Now, tap I accept the user agreement. Click top up balance. After that, you will be redirected into another page, which you need to input your Visa's details. All you have to do is input your card number, your card's name, month, year, and then the CVV or CVC, and then your email. And after that, tap continue. Then the payment will be added into your account. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.